welcome back to my channel. So we are on our way to the city. Jorge's just dropping me off right now and in the train station because I live kind of far. So he's kind enough to drop me off, and I'll be taking you with me to, I don't know where is it, Radio City? I'm not really sure where it is, but I'm gonna be watching Mean Girls, and I'm very excited. I'll be vlogging, and yeah. So if you like this video, please, as always, give it a thumbs up, and I will show you. If you don't know, I do live in New York City, so I'll be showing you the great city on earth. I mean, the best city on earth that never sleeps. So thank you and keep watching. So I literally just hopped off the train, and literally I think you guys might think that New York is like this place. Oh my god, just spit. That's sexy. It's like this place of, I don't know, like how you see it in the movies. Do you see that? People like literally are screaming walking down the street. And yeah, that's what it is being in New York. Personally, I don't like it. Maybe because I lived in New York my whole entire fucking life. But he's staring at me. But I don't know, I don't like it. So let's keep walking. Hopefully you guys heard me and I'm not like all so shaky, because that'll be fucking weird. And yeah, people are staring at me. How fab. Anyway, see you guys. Let's keep walking and not trip while I walk and breathe.